Let's start with reteaching of Chapter 11 Light, Sound and Force, Part 2. Let's start with eclipse. Eclipse. In space, an eclipse happens when one object blocks the another. The earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth and reflects sunlight to us. So, when the earth or the moon blocks the sunlight, they also cast shadows. We see these shadows in the form of eclipses. There are two types of eclipses. The first is solar eclipse and the second is lunar eclipse. Now let's see in details each one by one. So first is solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth. Sometimes the moon only blocks part of the sunlight. This is called a partial solar eclipse. Other times, the moon blocks all the sun's light. This is called a total or complete solar eclipse. The shadow of the moon falls on the earth and sun cannot be seen. It can be partial or complete. Solar eclipse can only occur during a new moon when the moon moves between earth and the sun. Next, lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes in between the sun and the moon. As a result, the earth blocks the light of the sun from reaching the moon's surface and casts its shadow on the moon. It occurs on a full moon day. It is partial seen when only a part of the moon moves into the shadow of the earth, and complete seen when the earth passes directly in front of the moon and casts its shadow on the full moon. Lunar eclipse can last for a few hours, but total solar eclipses last only few minutes. Thank you.